All right, so with that colder air in place, how fluffy is the snow? Excuse me, let's go to Mike Seidel, who is joining us in New York, Chautauqua, New York. Mikey, I would think it's a little bit on the fluffier side. They were reporting 15 to 1, 10 to 1. Is that what you're seeing?
Indeed, it's very fluffy. We've got about 10 inches here, and Matt Safer's going to zoom in. We've got a lot of snow grains because they're kind of bouncing. These are snowflakes go through a little melting refreeze, and you can see how they're bouncing off my LL Bean jacket. So that's what's collecting right now, and we'll go out on 394. Here comes the school bus. By the way, schools are open. This doesn't shut down schools. That's the Panama Central School District. We're in Chautauqua County, in the town of Chautauqua. The lake is back over there. It's a beautiful spot here in the summertime. This time of the year, it's snowy and cold. It finally got snowy and cold, but the snowmobilers are going to love this because last year they had a really horrible season, and they'll be out on the trails around here starting on December 21st. They can't go out until hunting season ends. Now we're getting some good wind. You can probably hear the snow grains pelting my jacket. Our temperature now 27, 28 degrees, and the winds are running about 15 miles an hour, a little higher in gusts, so the wind chill's down in the mid-teens. We've got the lake effect snow warning for Chautauqua, Cattaraugus counties, and some other counties around the Great Lakes. This goes until 6 p.m. Saturday in this area. There's your radar, and this is the band we're in. It goes right off the lake between Ripley, north of Ripley, over the thruway, and then comes right down over us just south of Mayville. Chautauqua, Bemis Point, Jamestown, and the heavier band, part of the band has now moved off to the south and east of Jamestown. There are other bands, too, on either side, and they're oriented northwest, southeast. So Jen and Steph, we're in the band. As they used to say, snowing to beat the band.
Yeah, so
kind of cliche, but I guess it kind of fits here.
Snowing to beat the band. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. Do you have any groupies out there, Mikey?
No, but I remember about 15 years ago, we were actually told not to say that on the air because it had become too cliche.
Oh, really? I do remember that.
Yeah. I don't know where it was. No groupies, but we're here at the. Whoa. We're
only Mike Seidel.
We're here at the Hickory Hearst Farm, where you can get squash and eggs here at the Hickory Hearst Farm in Chautauqua.
Maybe you squash
Ladies,
the
back
eggs.
to you.
All right, Mikey, you're falling on yourself there.
Oh, it's some deep, fluffy snow, right? That's easy to fall in when it's that fluffy, right? You walk through it, you don't realize.
Getting out of it, though, is the problem.
It's like swimming in